Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset Windows app on your PC or laptop. So first of all, go to your settings. You can simply search for settings over here or simply press on Win I. Tap your Windows key and press I and it will open your setting directly. Now once you're in your setting, go to the apps section. Now tap on Install Apps. Now here you'll find the list of apps that are installed on your PC. Now select on the app where you want to reset. Let's say, for example, we'll try on calculator. So here is the three horizontal dots. Simply tap on there and you'll find advanced option. Not all applications have this reset feature. So if it has advanced option, that means you can easily repair or reset it. Tap on advanced option, then simply scroll down. And under reset panel, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So if you just want to repair, simply tap on repair. But if this app still isn't working right, you can reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So note that the app data will be deleted. So if you want to reset it, simply tap on reset icon right over here, and that's it guys, your app will be reset. But if you want to uninstall it, here's the icon. So most of the app prefer reset or repair. So Windows has a repair option on most of the apps. If not, then only uninstalling and installing is the only issue. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.